Okay, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Praxi's OEE dashboard. As you can see here, the OEE at the highest levels, the OEE, availability, performance, quality, all show up. You also get key metrics. This is in the dashboard, by the way. And you get trending records over time. I've only put in a couple records, so there's a couple records showing in here. But you get this beautiful OEE dashboard. The way you add OEE records is come in here, create a new OEE record. I'll just open one of the existing ones. And you go ahead and you put in your date and your shift, planned units, unplanned downtime, and then you just put in the units and the calculations get done for you, and that generates your OEE as you can see here. And if you want to add actions, you can go in here and just add new tasks. You can set those actions to be as how long you want them, add whoever's on your team in there, and there you go, you're adding your actions. One of the coolest things you can do is AI insights. You can come in here and ask any questions of your data, and it will generate a report. This is just a general question, give me an analysis. It goes ahead and gives me an analysis of what it sees. It shows me what's good about my OEE, what's bad, and what needs attention, and then provides some suggestions of what you can do about it. So there's a quick overview. Enjoy.